So,
Oh my God, yeah.
this is really poetic. That was the first time I saw you, and today is the first time we're talking.
Hello, we have got Shweta, Devanshi, and Utkarsh. Shweta is AR 4, Devanshi AR 27, Utkarsh is AR 53. The reason why they are together is because of a specific reason. I will let Devanshi to tell me why are you guys together now.
That is because we prepared together. We ranted about how we cannot make it to NLS, and now we are making it to NLS together. And
So you're all study buddies.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
so tell me how it started. What was the group like? I think you are from Kannur, right, Shweta?
Yes.
That's in North Kerala.
Kerala.
The Devanshi, you are from Raipur,
right.
and Utkarsh, you are from Bhubaneswar.
Right.
So there are three parts of the country connected together, and you have a study group. And I also understand that Shweta and Devanshi, you are repeaters.
Right.
You had a rank of 1, 1, 2, 3 something. I heard Shweta.
Yes. One.
And then now 4. And Devanshi, your rank was how much last year?
665.
And then you repeated.
Yes.
So did you join the college last year? No.
I did not. I just had
Okay.
this single track vision for NLS. So
Okay. So let's start with since. So tell me anyone can talk about it. What was what was this group all about? What you guys did? How did you plan?
So-
How did yeah?
So suddenly one day I realized that this prep is getting really boring and I need constant motivation. So I texted 5 people and we all connected together under a group name, discussion group. And we all used to meet every day at around 9 or 10. And we used to have a session for around 2 hours where we used to discuss GK and like other things. But it was like a constant support which we all had.
We
Alright.
stayed formal for a long time until one day we decided to make fun of our own states, and after that it was like flat ही नहीं करना है.
तो तुम लोग रोज when did this group start? When did this start? Which month was it?
March.
I think around March, right?
So this March is this March, right? So you had a March, April, May, June. So you guys were independently preparing. I also, what I want to know is number one, that why. So apart from the fact that you guys decided that it was boring, at least that was Devanshi's version of events. I would want to hear from Shweta, and what is your version of event as to why you decided this group? What you got out of this group?
Yeah. So again, now I'm speaking very well. They know I don't speak very much with all these people because we were not in a classroom together. Like we were connected online, so I was a bit hesitant to message each other and like make connections, study together and all of that. But then I thank Devanshi because she was the person who texted me first and we discussed, we have analyzed mock together and all of that. So then one day she came up with this idea that we'll sit together, we'll solve GK, we'll do some GMAT, like CR questions and all of that. I was like, it's a very good idea. Again, things were getting too monotonous, and again, when you have a support, like when there are people who are facing similar problems, then solutions come up easily. So that's also one thing. So we came together, and it's not always about studying. we have a lot of unnecessary discussions, and that's actually a stress buster for us. And then whole day we are like studying, and then at night we have this like very beautiful end to our day, and we sleep peacefully.
I still remember it was Shweta's birthday and we waited till 12 o'clock and then we all turned that video on. Utkarsh was not there, okay, so and then we all wished her.
Yeah.
So what I want to know is that in दोनों का पता है we had nothing else to do. They were sitting at home and preparing for CLAT. Okay, so you had some 12th standard and all going. So how did you become part of this group, Utkarsh?
Fine. Even I was getting bored a lot because after 1.5 years of prep job, you think CLAT was going to happen in May, and then it shifted to June and July. So after that, I thought, okay, since boards are not happening, then let me focus on CLAT. And Thankfully both got cancelled too, so it was all for the best.
So disappointed for us repeaters when boards got cancelled.
Yeah.
We were so sad. I was like, why is it happening to us?
I remember I saw this news. My sister told me that boats are getting cancelled. I'm like, how can you say that? Because fake news. And I like shouted at my sister. And then in the news, I saw that boats are cancelled. I ran up. I took my phone. I messaged Devansh. I'm like, dude, boats are getting cancelled.
Yeah. And I was like, yeah, so unfair.
Oh, you guys were hoping that those people will prepare for boards. You'll have all the time with you.
We thought we'll have all the time. We'll take a head start and all of that.
I'm right here, guys. I'm right here.
It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Okay? So now you tell me that. So how was your mock scores or scores before kind of you guys got together? Where were you? How was it in a good place? Was it an okay place? You were in a safe place? So where were you? Just before, I'm talking about Mars, right? So before that, where were you with respect to your performance in the mocks?
My mock scores were not great, first of all, and that was my constant source of demotivation, because I try very hard every time I try, but then my scores don't improve, and that was the main problem. But then again, I speak with my mentor, and he's like, just analyze things properly and things will fall in place. And I remember the last mock was All India Mock 9, and I scored such pathetic marks. The fan in my room makes a lot of noise, so I turned on the fan to full speed so that no one hears me, and I was crying for 1 hour because it was like 2 days before class, and I was scoring such pathetic marks that were in an All India mock, and I couldn't bear it. And then I was like, there is nothing else I could do, and I think that was my last mock. And then I knew that the only thing that is going to help me is
you're the second person who's told me that today.
Oh.
That taking that mock 2 days before the class was a bad idea.
Yeah.
So
I didn't take it. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't take that mock.
Utkarsh, where were you? So before you guys got into this group, how you were doing okay with your prep?
So before my prep, I was doing okay, but my main problem was with GK. Like in GK, my highest percentile was like around 70. It was not going above that, and I was dragging my mock scores down. So I was like, I need something for GK, and somehow this group formed at that particular time, and we started with CR. But then when we moved to GK, that's when things started helping me, because I never knew where, if I prepared for GK, I only prepared from newspapers. But the fact is that, as GLAD did this year, it wasn't just newspapers that you had to read. You had to know a lot of stuff about the background of every piece of information that's going around you. So I think that's what this group particularly helped me, because the way I was doing GK was mostly superficial. I was just looking upar se and not going deep into it. But when we formed this group, when we discussed, when we asked each other static GK questions about every topic, then that helped me increase my knowledge a lot. So my GK scores started shooting up after that.
Oh, okay. And Devanshi, what was your position before?
I mean, I still remember that I had one good mock like right before I started the discussion group, where I got like rank 10 or something, and my percentile was also very good. But then before that, I think my mock scores were like a jigsaw. So basically like up and down, up and down.
So तुम लोग eventually नाम नहीं दिया group को? Some name, you didn't give any name apart from discussion notes. You're like Three Musketeers.
We're boring people. We're boring people. Yeah.
All right. So I just want to understand. For example, one of the things that the many people would need to know is does it help? For example, to what extent does it help? And how does this work? I'm guessing that you cannot be starting a group at the beginning of your preparation, right? So everybody has to work all along the way, and the discussion is mostly, I think, about your mocks and your movement in the mocks analysis, and maybe specific problem areas, maybe GK. So my question is that would you guys, in hindsight, how important was this journey that you guys did together as a group?
Very important. I mean, I'll just take a minute and like a big shout out to both of you, because more than anything, I had this attitudinal change. I mean, Shweta is one of the most hardworking people I know, and Utkarsh is just brilliant. So, and like, it is very important that you have such people that are so capable, and then you learn so much from them that it eventually helps you become a better person and ultimately help you improve your prep. So I think that was one of the best changes I had.
I think what helped us was that we were all in synergy at a particular point. It wasn't like one of us were. It wasn't as if one of us was not interested in it and we were not invested properly. The best thing was that we were all in synergy. We all knew what we wanted from the group. We all knew that we had to improve our GK scores first and foremost. So I think that helped a lot, because had we been at different stages in our prep, then it probably wouldn't have been the same. So forming a discussion group just for the sake of it is not productive. You need to be sure that the people in the group are right where you are at the particular moment, and all of you need or the objectives of the group would help all of you.
Right. So, which is true. I mean, just because you form a group does not mean that an outcome would happen. I think the group has to work and group has to complement. So, tell me something. What were the specific activities that you do apart from, let's say, you telling me a lot of time pass that you guys did, and birthday celebrations, and birthday and non-birthday celebration that you guys did? What was let's get to it. So what was it like? When do you guys meet? What do you guys do? What do you guys discuss? How do you go about it?
I think we formed a list of topics that we should discuss first.
Yeah.
So during the initial months, like in March and April, we had a long list of topics that we intended to cover, and we had divided those topics amongst us. So we would choose 5 topics each, and then we would explain it to the others, and that's how we went for the first couple of months. After that, I think we focused more on the question answer aspect of it. We started asking questions to each other in each topic, from static, from current.
And like in the initial months, we had covered a lot of the critical part or the analytical part of most of the GK topics. So like Utkarsh used to tell us a story that East Container Terminal was this, and then this happened. So it was pretty interesting. And it was usually the stuff one misses out, but since we were doing it together, that so it was possible for us to cover everything.
I agree with Devanshi, because we cannot cover everything. One single person cannot cover every aspects of a GK topic. So there are a lot of things. So when we sit together and we ask questions or discuss things, we get new aspects of it. And yeah, Utkarsh is like, he really tells a story, and we are like, we make these turns, sometimes alphabetical order or something like that. So we wait for Utkarsh, because he'll take these analytical topics, less factual, and he'll like narrate it like a story, and we enjoy it a lot.
Yeah. And then he would give these names like Khan energy dispute. So he'd be like Karan energy dispute mein ye hua.
Because at the end of it, every GK topic is about politics, and every politics event you could put in a high school movie and it would still work out. So try to think everything.
So this is wonderful. So let me ask you one biggest takeaway for each one of you, right, from the journey that you guys had together. Your biggest takeaway, and what you would want to, let's say, tell your other members of the group, what they gave you in the group. So anyone can start.
So I think the biggest thing that the group gave me was a group of 4 friends which I can look at and think law school won't be alone. Like when I go into Bangalore and when I go to the class, I'm not like, I won't have to search for a seat. I guess I'll have 2 people who keep the seat for me, and I'll keep the seat for them. So I think that's the biggest takeaway for me.
For me, it was like, I know how stressful it can be, this process, and I think it's very important that you have people who are in the same position and who help you selflessly. And I think that was the case with us, because I mean, there was never a point where, you know, one got a bad mock score and the other one's like, oh, that's so bad. And we were always there to support each other. And I think that's the best thing about it. Like, we would sit together and analyze mocks and like send each other questions, ask each other to tell us short tricks. And I mean, nobody held back any information they had. They all shared it, and that was the best part. And I think that's very important if you want to like have a study buddy.
So like you need a bunch of people who are like equally, even if not equally motivated, they can motivate you to come, at least like try to be like as good as them, or you can like help each other. And if you are held behind, then they are there to pick you up. Sometimes like we get a bad mock score, and even if it's at night 10 o'clock, we can call each other and we can like sit together. I remember there was a very like a mock which went wrong, and we Zoom called each other, Devanshi and me, and then we were like watching some YouTube trolls together, and it really like it cheered us up. So
I still remember it was Shweta, your mic is on. It was more funny because Shweta was the one who told me about this thing.
Yes. So, there was this whole troll going on. We sat together and all of that. Yeah, those are the moments we cherish. And yeah.
Anyways, you'll have more moments to cherish because all of you are going to the same place.
Same college,
right?
Yeah,
so you're all.
Somebody would have told me that we are all going to the same college the day I started. I started this group. I would have just laughed and be like, "Oh my god, I can't go to endless like this."
Devanshi is like a Nick Fury, isn't she?
So Devanshi is the one who started this group, right?
Yeah.
So you are the one who. Wonderful. I think it was. Yeah, you need somebody to take that motivation, and I think eventually every group will have its own sort of flavor. Its own the ideologies and its own ways in which people who connect together, and eventually it will work. So it's very nice to talk to you guys and getting to know that you guys got together and worked this and made this happen. And I'm sure that you will continue to build this group more and more. I'm sure that you will get more and more people when you go to the law school, and then
Definitely.
All the very best. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
So I have zero contribution to your success, right? Zero. So I am. Okay.
No, sir. I would like to say that when I started preparing for CLAT, do you remember one video you did with CLAT 2019 aspirants, like after their
I saw that.
Like,
Rank 4, I still remember.
Rank 4 was the highest, and Shweta's also here. So,
oh my god, yeah.
Really poetic. That was the first time I saw you, and today is the first time we're talking.
Yeah.
I remember like you had one session with CL Raipur and I joined in, and then you explained कि बेटा ऐसे नहीं करते हैं, RC ऐसे करते हैं, and I thought that was very helpful.
So for a brief moment, I binged your YouTube channel so hard I even found some of your old dancing videos.
I think we should put that on LST Stars.
We should. A lot of people are like, sir, सिर्फ पढ़ाई करते हैं, and I'm like, ये देखा है तुमने?
Shweta को तो मतलब Shweta suddenly became a different person now in front of you guys. I was some 10 minutes ago she was something else. GP by mistake will ask one question. Shweta some 15 discussion. And then I
was just listening to her when we joined, and I was like, that's Shweta.
Exactly.
When did that happen?
तो इसको पीछे तक लगा के बुलवा रहा है. It's like Shweta नहीं बोल रही है.
So do you want to meet Priyanka?
Thank you. Then where is she?
I was telling I'm literally at Devanshi's house this morning. Had some awesome lunch here.
मैं shock हो गया. You're like, I am in Devanshi's house. I said, what is going on?
This is the beauty of probably a smaller town. Yeah. It's 5 minutes or 10 minutes or probably 15 minutes. That's it.
So you want your family friends or just know your students class में है करके?
No, it's like yes, kind of. ऐसा सुनने lunch भी हो गया, मेरा dinner भी यही होने वाला है. My dog is crazy for me.
So what do you go to every student's house like this?
No, that's Devanshi. She's
Yeah.
So
now that I've gotten so used to being online that I'm scared for like actual physical classes.
you actually meet Utkarsh, like, ये ऐसा दिखता है तो?
I was surprised when I saw his face. Yeah, I saw his. I haven't seen his face. Like I saw his face for the first time today because he never like turns on his camera. Like I have personally spoken to Devanshi. We have like spoken to each other face to face, so I know her. But then I did not see Utkarsh, and I saw this picture of him. Okay, this is Utkarsh. I have just heard his voice, and I don't know who he is.
Yeah, it's like one voice somewhere sitting.
Yeah.
This March.
I faked my birthday.
Yeah. Yes.
And then this one time, Devanshi, we all were in the Google Meet thing, and suddenly Devanshi goes like, "तुम लोग को मेरा birthday याद नहीं है?" And 5 minutes तक कोई कुछ नहीं बोला. Everyone was like, "क्यों? We just met for 2 days. तुम्हारा birthday हमको कैसे पता चलेगा?" And then she made us all turn our videos on and sing happy birthday for her. And then she was like, ऐसे ही बोल रही थी, मैं तो बोर हो रही थी आज.
Yeah, I did that.